Turning our attention now to the ASX, here's Matt Birney and Bulls and Bears with the latest public company views and interviews.
Welcome to Bulls and Bears, brought to you today by uranium and lithium explorer Infini Resources, ASX code I88. I'm Matt Birney and I'm joined now by the Managing Director of Infini Resources, Charles Armstrong. Hi, Charles.
Hi, Matt.
Okay, so Infini Resources set the market alight when it shot up 418% earlier this year to $1.03 from its January 20-cent listing price. The company listed on the ASX with a swag of lithium and uranium projects in WA and Canada. However, it was the Portland Creek uranium project in Newfoundland Canada that really shot the lights out with some off-the-scale soil samples at a project that has never been drilled. All that is about to change, however, after Infini recently locked down a permit to drill. Okay, Charles, I want to do a roll call of the reasons Infini believes Portland Creek might be harbouring a uranium deposit at depth, starting with those crazy high-grade soil samples. Hit me with the best half a dozen or so.
Yeah, no, so the highest peak result was 74,997 ppm U308. Second highest was 53,182. Third highest was 43,512. And the next one, 39,975. The fifth highest was 39,621 ppm U308. And last but not least, the sixth highest, 33,961 ppm U308. So 7 out of our 17 soil samples reassayed and returned greater than 3% U308, and we're now aware that these are the highest grade uranium in soil results ever recorded in the history of mineral exploration. So very exciting for us.
Big statement. Over what distance did you pick up high-grade uranium soil samples, and how many defined drill targets do you now have?
So originally we were at scale of 235 metres by 100 metres. We've now got the anomaly at 800 by 100 metres. It's grown significantly since we began the soil sampling, and we now have approved 23 planned diamond drill holes.
What about rock chips? Do you have any at this project, and if so, what sort of grades?
Yeah, so our highest rock chip grab sample is currently at 2,180 ppm U308, so high grade, which we're really excited about.
What's the structural geology like? Is there anything there in terms of faults or shear zones that might support your theory of uranium at depth?
Yeah, so we've got a major fault zone with associated second-order structures. What I really love about this, Matt, is the three very large second structures are converging on each other and they meet. And where our very high-grade soil sample is sitting is actually within this zone of the faults meeting together and converging. So very promising setting. Can't wait to drill them.
Very quickly, when will you get the first drill hole into this thing?
First one will be collaring in at the end of January, and then our second rig will be on site early Feb. So yeah, we're throwing a good amount of metres.
Charles Armstrong from Infini Resources, thanks for joining me on Bulls and Bears. And remember, we're only here to give you information, not advice, which you should of course seek independently. I'm Matt Birney and this is Bulls and Bears.
For more public company interviews, go to the Money page on the 6PR, 2GB, 3AW and 4BC websites and click the Public Companies tab.